Kantaka Automobile was established in 1994 by Emeritus Professor Apostle Dr. Kwadwo Safo Kantanka and incorporated as Limited Liability Company in 2004 to research into the manufacturing of automotive components and their combination with other parts outsourced from component suppliers to form a complete built unit. In 1998, the first complete built unit, CBU, was manufactured using over 75% of local components, locally manufactured including the engine block. By 2006, the first SUV, ONANTEFO, was manufactured. Kantanka vehicles are assembled in Ghana from CKD, complete knockdown, kits supplied by a Chinese firm, possible Foday through Chongqing Big Science and Technology. Models. The Kantanka range of cars includes both saloon and four-wheel drive vehicles. Kantanka Nkunimdie SUV. Kanatanka Omama pickup, a rebadged Foday Lion Kantaka ONANTEFO 4x4 pickup, SUV, Kantanka ONANTEFO SUV a rebadged Foday Explorer 6 Automfuo SUV. Kantanka K71 small SUV, a rebadged Brilliance Jinbei S30 Kantanka Moanima. Kantanka Mensa Kantanka Omama Luxury 4x4. Kantanka S6000 Rudal Ballistic Verbasis Petasan High-Tech Standard 4x4 Kantanka Anti-Air Missile Launcher. F-35 Destroyer High-Tech Anti-Tank High-Technology Exoskeleton Robotic Semi-Human High-Tech Military Hardware. They have made lots of military hardware such as armored personnel carriers, tanks, and helicopters. However, these devices appear to be civilian vehicles with spare sheet metal attached, and use firework rockets as their primary weapons system. They've developed combat exoskeletons, however they appear to be a combination of sheet metal, decorative hoses and protective equipment for motorcyclists. Kantanka launches armored vehicle with rangefinder in 2018 annual technology show at Apostle Safo School of Arts and Sciences.